Alright, these are the hideaways, the Delta 3 technology. These are the 3-watt Cree hideaways. We have them in every color. The ones we have available are amber, white, and red. These are the T6 Cree optic LEDs. There is the Lin 4. I wanted to show you something. As you can see that there is a barcode scan thing over there. Some people have said like there's no such thing as these are a no name brand product, and I wanted to show you how legit these are, and there you go. That actually says they found it's Delta 3. Let me see if we can get this cleared up. Right there, Delta 3 Technology Lights. It's got the Gmail and the phone number. Format, the code, details. It shows the date and everything. And when they were certified, you can see the details in here. Even this right here. It's got the logo, Made in USA, the phone number, the email address, SAE. See, in China lights, you don't see this. You don't see the detail like that. Especially with the linears. Over here is the directions. In the directions now, we changed the directions because of the new brackets that we have. Shows you how you can mount them on the hood. The trunk. Windshield wipers. The side mirrors. Basically the push bars, anywhere you can mount these anywhere, and then right there are your patterns all the way to 30. It's like 34 patterns. The dual colors are 66 to 75 patterns. Those are the 3-watt hideaways right there. And then the plugs right there. They plug just like into like a strobe kit. So if anybody is interested, normally we sell these right here. You just when you buy one, you buy one for $59.99. And you get the self-contained. Normally they're $89 a piece. We're doing that sale for $59. So here, if you buy one for $59, say $60, right? You buy another one, so that's $120 right there. You can buy the whole set. For the normal price is $199. We're selling them for $99 for the set. If you buy the entire kit, we'll do it for $169.99 for $170, and you save $280. Same thing with these. These are normally $149. The T6s, they're Cree optic. These are $89 right here. These are all going for anywhere from $35 to $50. You know, we'll do anything kind of special. We'll work with you. If you want to buy 4 or more, we'll do a deal plus overnight free shipping to you. So if you got any questions, you can always email us. Go to the websites. I apologize. Some of them are down. Some of them just the server's not working. We've just been having so many problems. So You can always contact Shayna, and she will help you out. All right, thank you.